Replacing a door may seem like a straightforward project, but the reality is far more complex. A door does more than just provide access. It plays a key role in your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. For homeowners in Tuscaloosa, where hot summers and humid conditions can impact your home's structure, professional installation is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. In this article, we'll explore why trusting a professional for your door replacement project pays off in durability, performance, and peace of mind. Ensuring a perfect fit. One of the most common challenges in door replacement is achieving the right fit. Even a slight misalignment can cause drafts, uneven wear, or problems with the door closing properly. Professionals have the tools and expertise to measure your space precisely, taking into account factors like frame warping, shifting foundations, or irregular openings that are common in homes across Tuscaloosa. With a professional installation, you avoid the frustration of a door that sticks, drags, or leaves gaps. Instead, you get a seamless fit that looks and functions exactly as it should. Improving energy efficiency in Tuscaloosa, air conditioning is essential for most of the year. A poorly installed door can allow air leaks, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up energy bills. Professionals know how to properly insulate and seal doors, ensuring maximum energy efficiency. Whether you choose a steel, fiberglass, or wooden door, a trained installer can make sure the frame, weather stripping, and threshold are all aligned to block out drafts. This small detail can make a big difference in keeping your home comfortable while lowering utility costs. Enhancing home security. Your front and back doors are your home's first line of defense. An improperly installed door may not align with locks or hinges, leaving weak points that intruders can exploit. Professional installers use reinforced techniques, ensuring that locks, strike plates, and hinges are secured into the framing, not just the trim. This added level of security provides Tuscaloosa homeowners with confidence, knowing their new door isn't just beautiful but also a reliable barrier protecting loved ones and valuables. Preserving warranty protection. Most manufacturers of quality doors provide warranties, but many of these warranties require professional installation to remain valid. If you attempt a DIY installation and run into issues later, you may find that your warranty is void. By hiring a professional, you not only protect your investment but also gain the assurance that any future problems can be addressed under warranty. This gives you added value and long-term protection for your door replacement project. Saving time and stress. Door replacement can quickly become complicated. Removing the old door, addressing any frame damage, adjusting hardware, and ensuring everything is level takes time and skill. What might take a homeowner several days of trial and error, a professional can accomplish efficiently and correctly in just a few hours. This saves you stress, eliminates guesswork, and ensures your new door is ready to perform right away. Adding value to your home in Tuscaloosa's competitive housing market, curb appeal matters. A door that looks crooked, doesn't close smoothly, or shows signs of DIY shortcuts can lower a buyer's confidence. On the other hand, a professionally installed door enhances the look of your home, adds functionality, and increases resale value. Investing in expert installation today can yield long-term benefits if you decide to sell your home down the line. Final thoughts. For Tuscaloosa homeowners, door replacement is more than a cosmetic update. It's an investment in comfort, safety, and efficiency. While DIY projects can be rewarding, the risks of misaligned frames, energy loss, or compromised security make professional installation the smarter choice. By trusting trained experts, you ensure your new door performs as intended, withstands Tuscaloosa's climate, and enhances the overall value.